Hello everyone, today I have the good old Makita model DHP456 and it's working on a hammer, it's not holding the speed, so I will deassemble to check what's wrong inside. And yeah, the first thing we can see that the brush holders are melted. The brushes is almost ended up. Yep, we can see that the armature is definitely overheated, and yep, it's need to replace. I'm checking if the field is good or not. No, this is not strong enough, so the jog unit is needed to be replaced. Okay, I have found the replacement motor jog unit brushes, and it's time to disconnect the brush holder. Yep. Okay, connecting it. Getting the leaf spring. The leaf spring must go here. Okay, now goes the field and the armature. Connecting everything with the gear IC. Okay, closing the housing, and just don't forgetting to put the rubber pins in the back cover. The pins are in the cover. If I forgot to clean this housing, just lifting the springs. Connecting the carbon brush, making sure that the wire is down. And we can repeat the same step with the second one. And of course, closing the back cover. And now it's time to check our drill.